This is the Rub Al Khali, or Empty Quarter, one of the most barren deserts in the world. The Empty Quarter is an area of active sand dunes in the south of the Arabian Peninsula, situated between the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and the Sultanate of Oman. For centuries, this unforgiving area has been a natural barrier between the two countries, until now, with the completion of the first ever road connecting the two Arabian Peninsula neighbours. In 2010, the Saudi Al Rasan contracting company was tasked with constructing the first road through the Empty Quarter to join Saudi Arabia and the Sultanate of Oman.
نتكلم عن التحديات لهذا المشروع. أنا أعتبره من أوله إلى آخر يوم بتنفيذ هذا المشروع كله تحديات، سواء كانت الظروف أو طبوغرافية نفس المشروع، أو قرب أو بعد المدن القريبة، توفر قطع غيار، توفر خدمات، كل ما فيها من عوامل إنجاح أي مشروع آخر غير متوفرة.
The construction of the road would present unique challenges for Al Rasan contracting, as no road has ever been laid through such terrain. The project would involve constructing sand bridges across sabkha or salt flats and between high-rising dunes. Selection of the equipment for this project would be critical. The highly aggressive environment of unrelenting sand and heat, along with the remote nature of this project, meant the contractor would be reliant on equipment being highly dependable.
اختاروا شركة الفطيم للسمعة اللي نتميز فيها من دعم ومساندة لمعداتنا ومن تواجدنا باستمرار في خدمة العميل.
Volvo construction equipment was chosen as the construction equipment of choice because of its reliability and dependability in extreme conditions.
The amount of sand need to be transported to this project to construct the bridge of the road, it is 130 million meter cube, which needs also in the same time 12 million meter cube of selected material to protect these embankments of sand, not to be eroded by wind or water.
To understand the scale of this project, 130 million cubic meters of sand is equivalent to 26 giant pyramids. Hundreds of drivers, excavator operators, technicians and auxiliary staff were employed over a period of 3 years on the project, housed in self-contained camps that also had strategic maintenance facilities to support this important and unique project. The extreme desert temperatures, 50 degrees centigrade during the day and below 1 in the night, along with the remote location some 1,000 kilometers from the capital Riyadh, presented the FAMCO maintenance and service teams with a demanding situation. Every day the construction team worked 14-hour shifts, excavating and depositing sand, which was then compacted using naturally salty groundwater. With the completion of the 256-kilometer Saudi-Oman road, a strategic connection has been made between the two countries, allowing for direct road access between the two neighbours for the first time, an achievement made in no small part due to Volvo construction equipment and FAMCO's support.
If we got any big projects like this project in the future, we will not find a better partner than Al Futtaim company to provide us with a machinery, and they give a very good support after sales also, which make easy to the contractor to select Al Futtaim anytime.